Hello, peoples. I am just doing a quick little thing here while I do some sketching, and I was thinking about the panels I did for Anthrocon, where lots of people asked me really good questions, and a question that came up a lot was handling burnout, and this was interesting because it made me realize something I don't often think about, which is that advice that works for people that are starting out is not often advice that works for people who have been doing something for a long time. So in particular, burnout strategies that work for me are very different from burnout strategies that used to work for me when I was a newer person. And I think I've narrowed it down to burnout when you are new is often you don't know, you're frustrated with your lack of mastery of something that you're trying to accomplish. Whereas burnout for people who have experience is more like, I'm going in the wrong direction. And so I would feel like if I wanted to give someone advice, I would have to know where they kind of are on their personal journey of how, where they are in their craft, because it's hard to know if what they're experiencing is, I'm upset because I can't make this work, and I want to quit because it's not doing the thing that I wanted it to do. Whereas for people like who are further along, that kind of thing can be, wait, maybe I should be going in a different direction. Maybe I'm no longer learning anything from this. Maybe I should be investigating new avenues because what I'm doing now isn't really working for me, and that might be a sign that I need to make some changes to what I'm doing. So I thought that might be an interesting thing to tell people is, when you're asking for advice, not only should they be considering where you are, they might not know, but you might want to consider where they are, and someone who is at a very different stage of their mastery of something might be giving you advice that works for them, but not particularly for you, and that's okay. So just wanted to get that off my chest because I thought it was a very interesting thing to have realized.